Somewhere on Earth, water appears to flow upward. In other places, gravity doesn't behave the way it should. And there are locations where the laws of physics seem optional. These are not myths. They are real places on our planet. And scientists still struggle to fully explain them. These places shouldn't exist. Physics is supposed to be universal. The same rules apply everywhere. Gravity pulls downward. Water flows to the lowest point. Energy behaves predictably. Except it doesn't. Not always. Because on Earth, there are places where these rules seem to break. Let's start with one of the strangest. In some polar and glacial regions, scientists have discovered ice formations where water appears to move against gravity. Instead of flowing downward, it rises. In narrow ice tunnels, streams climb upward along frozen walls. At first, researchers assumed an optical illusion. But repeated measurements showed the same result. Water was flowing uphill. The explanation? Capillary forces, pressure differences, temperature gradients. But even combined, they don't fully account for the scale of what's observed. In controlled laboratory conditions, these effects exist. But in nature, at this size, it shouldn't be possible. And this is only the beginning. There are places on Earth where gravity itself behaves strangely. Cars appear to roll uphill. Objects accelerate in the wrong direction. People feel disoriented, even nauseous. Scientists call these areas gravity hills or gravity anomalies. Some can be explained by optical illusions, tilted landscapes that trick the brain. But not all of them. In certain regions, sensitive instruments detect small but real deviations in gravitational pull. Tiny differences, but enough to be measurable. These anomalies are often linked to unusual underground structures. Dense rock formations, metal-rich layers, or massive voids beneath the surface. The laws of physics still apply, but locally they bend. Now we return to a phenomenon that looks almost unreal. Circular ice formations, perfectly rotating, sometimes dozens of meters wide. seen in rivers, lakes, and frozen landscapes. These formations rotate slowly, sometimes for hours, with no visible external force. Scientists propose explanations: subtle currents, temperature differences, Coriolis effects. But here's the problem. The rotation often remains stable even when conditions change. Remove the current, it keeps spinning. Change the temperature, it continues. The system behaves as if it has its own internal order. Physics explains parts of it, but not the whole. None of these places break physics entirely, but they expose its limits. They show us that our models are approximations, useful but incomplete. Nature doesn't read textbooks, it experiments. And sometimes it reveals that reality is far stranger than our equations. If the laws of physics can bend in specific places, what else have we simply not noticed yet? How many anomalies are still hidden beneath the surface of our planet? And what happens when we finally encounter one that doesn't fit any existing theory at all? Earth may look familiar, but it is far from fully understood. Hidden Earth TV explores the parts of our planet that remain untouched, unreachable, and unseen. If you want to discover more places where humanity does not belong, subscribe to Hidden Earth TV.